Hi! Are you interested in exotic Japanese cats? This channel is a travel vlog that shares the charms of the Japanese countryside. Today, I'd like to introduce you to an inn in Kusatsu Onsen with marquee cats and Mizusawa Kannon Temple. Hello from Kusatsu Onsen. At Nakamuraya Ryokan, you will be greeted by many cats. The cats seem to enjoy walking on snow without footprints. The inn's lobby is filled with cat decorations. Oh, nice to meet you. Hello. How are you? This cat has white socks. Kawaii. It's evening now. The nocturnal cats have woken up. At this inn, you can interact with the cats in the lobby on the first floor. However, there are some restrictions for the health of the cats. First, don't bring cat food. Second, don't chase the cats or yell at them. Third, turn off the flash when taking photos. And fourth, you are free to bring in cat toys. The staff at the inn will hand out cat food to us so we can interact with them. Paw, other paw. Good boy. He ate food from my hand. I'm so happy. Exercise after meals. Let's play. Toy-loving cats have gathered. It's like a cat cafe. Hi, kitty, let's play. Oops, I was dumped. I'll give a sneak peek of the toy to you. Oh, you made a jump. You can see it all easily. Kitty jumped up and sat on my lap. How cute. Now, I'm very busy with a camera in one hand, a cat on my lap, and a cat toy in the other. After lots of fun, it's time to relax. Until a moment ago, there were 2 cats on my lap. He is serving another customer. I have had a cat before. It had been a long time since I last interacted with a cat, so I was very happy. Thank you for sitting on my lap. My mother also loves cats, so when I asked her if she wanted to go on a trip with me, she said, "Of course, I want to." She seemed to enjoy this trip very much. I'm glad I invited her. This time, the cost for a room only was less than $100 per person including tax. The calculation is based on 150 yen to the dollar. We also thoroughly enjoyed the hot springs inside the hotel. If you are walking down the hallway on your way to the hot spring, you will find cats sleeping here and there as if it is the most natural thing in the world. If this happens, just walk past them quietly or offer a gentle pat. You may also find round, fluffy ammonites. See you soon, kitty. During the holiday season, the Yubatake field is decorated with a Christmas tree. Surprisingly, while I was editing the video, I noticed that there were countless shooting stars in the video. Look at the sky to the left of the tree. Shooting stars are streaming from bottom to top. This day was said to be the best day to view the Geminid meteor shower. In Japan, shooting stars are considered a symbol of good luck. In the sky around the center of this screen, many shooting stars can be seen streaking from bottom to top. I wish you and me, watching this video, the excellent luck. This is perfect for Instagram. There were performances by artists on this day, but unfortunately, we cannot provide audio recordings due to copyright restrictions. This is also perfect for Instagram. The Yubatake in Kusatsu Onsen was designed by the famous Japanese artist Taro Okamoto. Every time I walk around the Yubatake area of Kusatsu Onsen, I feel like I'm visiting one of the villages in a RPG. It's time to go back to the inn and take a bath in the hot springs. It is about a 30-second walk from the Yubatake to Nakamuraya. At Kusatsu Onsen, you don't have to worry about breakfast even if you stay without meals. This bakery near the Yubatake opens at 8:30 a.m. We had a light breakfast of soup, coffee, and bread. Then we played with the cats until it was time to check out. Mizusawa is a small temple, but you can have some interesting experiences there. This is a Nyaman. The ceiling paintings and carvings are beautiful, so let's take a look. If you want to see an interesting experience right away, please move on to the next chapter. There are two pictures of dragons painted on the ceiling. If you go up these stairs, you This is a 100 yen coin. You can exchange Japanese banknotes for small change at the amulet sales corner inside the shrine grounds. Rakukudo is a highlight. This sign says, please circle slowly 3 times counterclockwise. Fast forward. By the way, this time I forgot to bring my own Gashuin book. I'm a little clumsy. Gashuin stamps are very artistic. On another occasion, I will show you my Gashuin book in a video. This signboard says Gashuin. Some Japanese temples allow worshippers to ring the bell, while others do not. It's possible at this temple. This is the udon restaurant, Tamaruya, near the temple. The 3 major udon producing areas in Japan are Sanuki, Inanawa, and Mizusawa. It's fried prawn. This is very delicious, and I highly recommend it. After this is a bonus video. Rainbow-colored clouds around the moon. It's mysterious. Links to the official websites of the places introduced in this video are listed in the description section. Please use it for your travel planning. You can use them conveniently by subscribing to the channel and giving it a high rating. I would be happy too, if that happened. Kusatsu Onsen can be easily accessed by bus from Tokyo Station, Shinjuku Station, Yokohama Station, etc. Details can be found on the Kusatsu Onsen Tourism Association website. Thank you for watching.